Imagine this. You're floating above the ocean. The water beneath you is perfectly calm, almost unreal. Then suddenly, you see it. A massive dark circle, right in the middle of the bright blue sea. It looks like a hole that shouldn't exist. And the deeper you look, the darker it becomes. This is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. A blue hole. Scattered across our planet, hidden beneath oceans, seas, and even coastal areas, these massive underwater sinkholes have puzzled scientists for decades. From above, they look beautiful. Perfectly round, deep blue, almost inviting. But beneath that calm surface lies something far more unsettling. Because no one truly knows what's at the very bottom. Blue holes were formed thousands of years ago, during a time when sea levels were much lower than today. Back then, these were dry caves. Massive underground chambers made of limestone, slowly carved by rainwater over time. But as the Ice Age ended, glaciers melted, sea levels rose, and those caves were swallowed by the ocean. What remained were these vertical tunnels, plunging deep into the earth. Some of them are hundreds of meters deep.
Some of them are hundreds of meters deep. Others may go even further. But depth is only part of the mystery, because as you descend into a blue hole, everything begins to change. At first, there's light, clear water, visible life, color. But slowly, the light fades. The blue turns darker and darker, until it becomes black. You enter what divers call the twilight zone. And below that, complete darkness. No sunlight reaches this depth. No warmth, no visibility. Just silence and pressure. But what makes blue holes truly dangerous is what lies hidden inside them. As divers go deeper, they often encounter a strange layer in the water. It looks like a cloud, floating, motionless. But it's not a cloud. It's hydrogen sulfide, a toxic gas that forms a thick, invisible barrier underwater. If a diver enters this layer, they can lose visibility instantly. And worse, it can be deadly. But even more disturbing is what lies beneath that layer. In some blue holes, oxygen levels drop to almost zero. And yet, life still exists. Strange organisms, unlike anything found near the surface. Creatures that survive without light, without oxygen, living in conditions that should be impossible. It's like discovering an alien world right here on Earth. For years, scientists believed nothing could survive in such environments, but every expedition proved them wrong. Each dive revealed something new. New species, new chemical processes, new mysteries. And the deeper we explore, the more we realize how little we truly understand. But there's something else, something harder to explain. Many divers who have entered blue holes report a strange feeling, a sense of being watched, even when they are completely alone. No movement, no sound, just darkness, and the overwhelming feeling that something is there. Some scientists say it's just the brain reacting to extreme isolation, a psychological response to darkness and silence. But not everyone agrees, because some divers never come back. They descend into these holes and simply vanish. No trace, no equipment, no explanation, just gone. One of the most famous examples is the Great Blue Hole.
a massive underwater sinkhole so large it can be seen from space. It has attracted explorers from all over the world, including the legendary ocean explorer Jacques Cousteau. Even he described it as one of the most fascinating and dangerous places on Earth. As divers descend into the Great Blue Hole, they encounter ancient formations, massive stalactites hanging underwater like frozen time. These structures prove that this place was once above sea level, a dry cave thousands of years ago, now submerged, preserved in darkness, like a time capsule from another era. But the deeper you go, the more hostile it becomes. Less oxygen, more toxic layers, extreme pressure. And beyond a certain depth, human exploration becomes nearly impossible. That's where technology takes over. Robotic explorers, deep-sea cameras, sent into the darkness to uncover what humans cannot reach. And what they find is both fascinating and unsettling. Unusual life forms, strange chemical environments, and vast areas still completely unexplored. In fact, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own oceans. Think about that. We've sent machines into space, captured images of distant planets, but here on Earth, there are places we still don't understand. Blue holes are one of them. They are not just geological formations, they are gateways. Gateways into the unknown, into a world that exists right beneath us, yet remains hidden. And the biggest question still remains: what is at the very bottom? Is it just rock and sediment? Or something more? A new ecosystem? Undiscovered species? Or something we're not ready to understand? Scientists continue to explore with better tools, better technology, deeper dives. But every answer leads to more questions. Because the truth is, the ocean doesn't give up its secrets easily. And blue holes are some of its deepest secrets. Dark, silent, endless. A hole that may never fully be explored. And somewhere at the bottom of that darkness, the mystery still waits.